Hello everybody, my name is Katranji. I'm a periodontist here in Southfield. I'm really excited to tell you about this case today. Let's talk about it. So this guy came to us as a second opinion. He'd come and seen other doctors, and he's really been thinking about doing this for a while. You can see, his smile just wasn't there. It wasn't something that he was proud of. A lot of times he would, not go to things, not go to events. He wouldn't go to, family functions because he was embarrassed about his teeth. He was embarrassed about showing his smile. And when he went to these other doctors, when he went to another clinic, they told him, listen, we can do this for you. We could take your teeth out. The same day we'll give you a set of teeth. But what they showed him was kind of like a plasticky smile. It looked like a denture that was supported with implants. And while that was a nice thing for us 10, 15 years ago, it's not something that we're establishing now as our go-to procedure. What we like to do is we like to make things look more natural. So how do we do that? That's the million-dollar question. And these days, everything is digital, right? Whether you think about, if you're looking in the automotive industry, if you're in any industry, we're talking about AI and how AI helps us with treatment planning and how we utilize, computers to get to the final result. And with us, we use AI to determine what the teeth are going to look like even before we start the surgery. So the day of the surgery, we come in, we already have everything planned. Where we place the implants is very, very important for cases that are going to look very aesthetic. So I don't freehand a lot of cases anymore. And what does that mean? I'm not just using my eye and guessing where the implants are going. I used to do that 10, 15 years ago, but the technology now makes it so that we can place implants very precisely, exactly where the bone is, exactly where the soft tissue is. So we're placing the implants in a digital manner, so everything is guided. We also know where the teeth are going to be. So because we know where the teeth are going to be, we can place implants precisely. And then after surgery, we can deliver a set of teeth that look really, really natural. And as you can see, these teeth look really, really good. Immediately after procedure, he's smiling. He's very excited. We're excited because, this is a culmination of a lot of planning. Now, what happens the day of surgery? He comes in, and in about 2 to 3 hours, the process is more or less complete. Now we're just delivering teeth. So the surgeries no longer take 5-6 hours. They really take just a fraction of the day. And the rest of the time, he's sleeping in the chair, just waiting for us to finish. So it's a really wonderful, wonderful transformation with very little anxiety. There's not this buildup anymore where you're just waiting and waiting and waiting. Now, for 3 to 4 months, he's got this beautiful smile. It's not like he's going with something removable. Nothing is coming in and out of his mouth. So it's a really wonderful transition that happens almost immediately. And then for the healing period, he's got this beautiful smile. So now he's out there with his friends, with his family. He's happy, he's excited. It's really a game changer. And we're really excited to offer this to all our patients. And if it's something that you're interested in, please give us a call. We'd be happy to go over a very particular, specific treatment plan for you. And if this is something that you really enjoyed, please give us a follow on our Instagram and our YouTube channel here. If you have any comments or questions, just write them down at the bottom. We'll be happy to answer them. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.
Restore your smile and your health. Schedule your appointment today.